welcome back to everyone. So in this class, I'm going to discuss what is data types. So whatever that we gave data, so we have to convert and we use it. And if you don't convert, and it will get the throw error, and it will we can't do in certain operations. That's why we are using data types. These are the list of data type we can use it. So in this video, I am going to discuss with you numeric and boolean. The next video I will do it. So sequence, set, range, date, dictionary data types. So the first one is numeric. So numeric is a class in three types. One is integer, float, complex. Let's go to ideally. The first one is integer. So I'm going to take p equal to 10. So I'm going to print p. Okay, it's a print p. So how do we know what is it type? That's why we are printing. And next one is enter type, then it will print what is it type. So here you can see int means integer. Okay, so without decimal points we call it as a integer. Okay, the next one is float. I'm going to take whatever you want. So f equal to 10.00. So whatever you can take 0 maybe. So I'm going to print f. So okay, is everything okay? Print 10. So what is it type? Just print type of p. Okay, it is a float. Okay, everything is look like good. So why we need data types? So why? Because data types are using convert data. Maybe the user is giving a float value or integer value. We want to convert that data. So how do we convert that data? So now f is a float. Okay, so now f is a float, so I'm going to convert into integer. So how do we convert? So I'm going to take another variable. So d equal to, so I mentioned into before int, then it will convert. So f mention, so it will convert. So I'm going to print d. So here you can see the convert into integer. So I'm going to print what is its type. The type is integer. Okay, I'm going to convert float into integer. Okay, I'm going to convert integer to float. So the d now is integer, so I'm going to convert integer to float. How do I convert? So I'm going to print. So I'm using other variable, so we can, variables are changeable, so that's why I'm using d. So d equal to, you know that variables are changeable, so I'm going to mention d. It will accept the value and I'm going to print the d. Here you can see the changing, and it will change the float value. So I'm going to print what is it type. Sorry, I mean, so the type is float. You can understand what I'm saying here. So I'm going to float integer to float. Okay, so you might be confused. I'm doing it. So I'm taking here 10. Okay, I'm going to print, okay, 10. Okay, I'm convert into float. So how do I convert? So I'm going to take another h equal to, I mentioned the before, so float, and the what is k. I'm going to mention the k. So enter, it will convert the h is a, now is a float. So I'm going to print h. Here you can see the 10 is a float changed. So I'm going to print what is it type. H is what is type. So h is a float. Okay, so now the next one is complex. So complex numbers so the next one is complex numbers. So complex numbers are, we know that max a plus bi, but here we have to Python use a plus bj. So what I'm saying, I'm going to take f equal to complex and t 2 comma 5, sorry 6, mention it will accept the value. Here you can see 2 plus j. Okay, can I add that element? So you can add it. So how do we add it? So I'm going to take x equal to 12 and next y equal to 18. I'm going to take other f equal to complex x comma y. It will accept the value, so we want to print f. So here you can see 12 plus 18j. So we know that 12 is real number and 18 is imaginary number. So can we print here? Of course you can print it. So how do we print? So we know that variable name is, so f dot real, just print, it will print real number. So how do we print image number? So I'm f dot emg. So here you can see 18 is imaginary numbers. Okay, take c equal to like 2 comma minus 4. And just print, just simply you can see 2 minus 4j. So we know that 2 is real number and minus 4 is imaginary number. Can we take multiplication? Of course you can take multiplication. So I'm going to take f equal to, but you have to mention, here you can see 3 into 3 9, so imaginary real number, and next one is 6 is imaginary number. The next one is the bool. You can call it as a boolean. So in real world we have two decisions, yes or no. So in Python have two decisions, true or false. So okay, the first one is boolean. I'm going to take bool, whatever the we give value is there and it will print true. Is nothing is there, it will print false. So I'm going to take, okay, it is a false. The boolean means is there any value, it will print true. Is there nothing in value, it's print false. Okay, I have to mention, so the f is capital, sorry, the sp is capital and t is a capital. So I'm going to take, so now I'm going to take t equal to, I'm going to print the, what is it type. So the type of t is a boolean. Okay, the type of t is a boolean, so I'm going to mention that t is a capital and then it will get you accept. So if you were giving false, it will not accept. So I'm going to take Okay, so here you can see true is not defined, so that's why, so we have to mention that f and t is a capital. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for further videos, friends.